Hi, Melissa. This is Joseph. I'll be checking out your website. Um, First of all, overall, I really enjoy it. I think the logo is really cool, and I enjoy the colors. The contrast is really cool. And I really like your tagline. Uh, I like here. It might have just been the template you picked, but either way, it's really cool. I like how um, you can scroll through uh, your work here as well as it being separated there. It gives anybody who, visits your website, multiple ways to make sure they get to see your look. Um, Down at the bottom, as well as up top, I like how everything is separated. The let's collaborate is a cool choice of words, and that it's very straightforward and simple way for them to get in contact with you. Um, Down here, stay updated. This newsletter I use on my website as well. It's very smart for somebody who just wants to keep up to date with you. I like that. And your about me is really cool. A very professional photo. Your about me was very nice. And I like the pictures that you used. You know, in your element, you doing your work. That's really cool and smart. The only thing that I think I would definitely change is maybe I see you have your social media icons here, which is cool, but sometimes depending on the coloring of the background, you kind of lose it a little bit. So I don't know, maybe when you have this color background, maybe using white would work better. But since you have the lighter backgrounds here, you don't lose them at all here. So I don't know if maybe you could change the color of them depending on which page of your website you were on. But I think that'd really be it. Let's take a look at the mobile view. Uh, it looks cool, very simple. When you click on it, that's really smooth and easy to kind of see what's going on, and it really just shows it's 100% what you need to do is just have a condensed version of your website. Um, and you can have this menu bar where you can go look at everything else. It's really nice, tight and compact, and it's awesome. I really enjoy it. Good luck going forward. Awesome job.